Hello, my name is Tina. Have you ever experienced a situation where your original decoration idea does not go as planned and you have to quickly come up with something else to make your room festive? Use 5 pink balloons to make the flower petals. Here I use 2 different shades of 12 inches pink balloons and 2 white balloons for the pistil or the middle portion of the flower. Blow up 2 pink balloons and tie them together like so. Here I use an electric balloon pump. I've used it in my previous balloon tower tutorials as well. Check out the videos after watching this one. Link in the description below. Then, blow up another pair of 2 pink balloons and tie them together. Blow up the 5th pink balloon and tie it with a pair of pink balloons like so. Basically, just make a knot with the neck of the other 2 balloons. Now, blow and tie 2 white balloons together. Next, insert the 2 pink balloons into the 3 pink balloons and twist it twice. Also, the 5 pink balloons should feel tight and secure. Then insert the pair of white balloons and twist pink balloons around the neck of the white balloons like so. This is how the flower balloon should look like. Voila! It is that easy and so simple. It's beautiful. To hang up the balloons, I tie a curling ribbon around the neck of the balloons and secure it to the wall with Cellotape. Voila! Here are your quick and easy flower balloons. Give it a try. Let me know in the comments section below what is your go-to decoration. I would love to hear from you. If you found value in this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Be sure to watch this playlist on how to make easy balloons for a party. You will be glad that you did. Thank you so much for watching my video. Be well.